Hey guys, welcome back to the last vlog of the Lucknow series, and I am in Lucknow airport right now. I have done all my security check, and I was just waiting for the boarding to start, and it is so rush here. Like there were 4-5 counters of Indigo, and all were having long queue. Thanks to us that we came 3 hours earlier here, so it took us 1 hour for our boarding to happen, and I have done my security check. And you know who I met? um, See here, understanding. So I met him during the security check. So my mother was telling that, see, he has came. So I had my phone in my hand. I was thought of doing the vlog. Then I told him that, sir, can I have a selfie with you? So I had a selfie with him, and yeah, and you can see a flight behind me, and I was like speechless at that time. If you don't know that, I have also met figured insan Nishtay Malan, Mithpat, who was Mithilesh Pathankar, and KKL. So in Discord's Got Talent, I was selected there. So I have meet those 3 YouTubers and one celebrity. So I am like very happy. So yeah, I will meet you somewhere else. I just started the vlog, and I don't know whether I will post it or not, but still, bye. So guys, I saw that in the first floor of the Lucknow airport there is a vending machine. So we have some money, 40 rupees, and let's see if we can get something for us. And my brother is also coming with me, and like I am still speechless that I met Gajodhar Bhaiya, Raju Srivastav sir, and I think that is the vending machine. Let me show you from the rear camera view. So bye. So guys, this is the vending machine, and it is our first time seeing a vending machine. And I think come here, we will be buying this 20 rupees biscuit. I got this. So let's us do. So it is 134. So I want 134.
Enter notes.
Enter
Notes.
enter notes.
Let accept.
Wrong password. What is this, guys? How to do? What is this? Pause. See, guys, this is the note. I think we will have to put in there the note, and come again another day. Little son just want to play.
Guys, something is
Guys,
happening.
something is happening. Okay, something is happening.
Please don't
Oh,
scam.
what is this?
Guys. Wow, guys, we got
Guys, we have got our biscuit, which we took just for fun. Actually, we didn't want to eat that. We took it just for fun because it was my first time, and thankfully it went right. So title will be using vending machine went right, lol. And you can see, and when we took this note and put it inside, it threw it back. I don't know why it threw it back. Then we took the second note, and then we did, and then it accepted. So yes, and show.
No.
Please show.
No.
Guys, and this is what we got, and yeah, it was very interesting. So guys, we are in the bus of Indigo, and my parents are on the terminal only, and me and my brother have came alone. We didn't know that we have to go from bus, but we are going, and I'm little worried and scared too, because this is my first time going on a bus alone. So bye. Yeah, it has started moving. So bye. As you can see, our flight is there, guys, and we will be going there. Focus is very bad, guys, but don't worry. My new phone has came, Realme Narzo 20 Pro, and from that I will record from the next time. So yes, don't worry, my quality will be better. My brothers, the aeroplane is in behind us, and there is a runway. It's so beautiful, and I am very excited to go up. So I will now show you everything from the rear camera view. So bye. Because this is the runway, the taxi area, and you can see we are going up, and my brother is also coming from there, and I will show you the whole view. It's so good. This is the taxi area, and I think there is the runway, and my brother is going up. Hey, come.
Overhead bin above the seat. Thank you.
In this seat, guys, I am in this seat. Fogging is happening in the face shield, and I also met the pilot. He was such a humble person. He gave my brother customized Indigo passport with his drawings and some of his words. So bye, and my flight is ready to take off, and bye. I will record the takeoff area. Bye. We are on the actual runway, and now the flight will take off in some seconds. So here take off, and the flight is on a hold, and in some more seconds the flight will get off boost. So I think the time is for the boost, and it has fast, guys. Okay, as you can see, one of my favorite parts, take off. It's very fast. So guys, we are in the air. Bye bye, Lucknow. We'll meet you back soon. Bye bye, Lucknow. Come here again. Guys, my dinner, not snacks. I got these cup noodles, and I was the last one to be served. My father took nutcase and coffee, no, paper boat, and my brother took this only, and my mother also, and my father only had a different combo, and it's dark outside, nothing. And last time also, only difference was I got Maggie, this time I got cup noodle, and this is what. And guys, deboarding is also done. I know a very shaky video will come. I have tested this camera a lot. It is a very sensitive camera, and if you even move it like this, it will come very shaky. But don't worry, it will be improved when I will start recording from the new phone. It is in this bag only. We brought it from Lucknow, and you can see that thing. And going towards the baggage claim. So bye. So I have came to the counter number 3 for the baggage claim, and here is a girl. And saying bye to the Kolkata airport, and I think I will be coming here again after some months or a year, I don't know. And bye bye Kolkata airport. Now I will be going home, and I have to do a lot of work and also study for my tomorrow's exam. But let's see guys, so bye.